tremendous tag teams in Glow. Hollywood and Vine, the Soul Patrol, the Headhunters.
The Cheerleaders.
I knew you had to mention them.
Of course.
The Farmer's Daughters, Corporal Kelly and Attaché, the Southern Bells. But without a doubt, the most outrageous team had to be the Heavy Metal Sisters.
They were the best. Nobody was more creative than the Heavy Metal Sisters, and nobody created more mayhem than Chainsaw and Spike.
From Los Angeles, California, managed by Ed Kitty, Spike and Chainsaw, the Heavy Metal Sisters.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to It's Ashley's birthday today! What are we gonna get her? I know. Why don't we go to her boyfriend's house? Maybe he can give us a hand.
Heavy Metal, oh my! Fans, I can't believe it! Look what Chainsaw and Spike had the audacity to do! That arm looks so real! Spike has the torch! What are they planning to do? They're lighting a ring of fire! I've got to stop this! Would like to pay tribute to the memory of Nathan Hale. It was Nathan Hale, the great patriot who bravely faced the hangman's noose and spoke for all Americans who have been called to serve in times of battle.
That they are choking the life out of the All-Americans. The girls are gasping for it, trying to get precious oxygen back into their lungs. Chainsaw hooks the rope over a beam. She's gonna hang him. She kicked the ref out of the ring. Now there's no one there to stop this. And the painted parasite is now trying to play Tarzan at the cost of her opponent's neck. How much longer can they hold out? Spike mocking the All-Americans, taking their drum, costumes, and flag. Thank goodness for the bout. But that doesn't stop Chainsaw. Now, still yanking away as Spike plays a funeral dirge. She's gone totally wild. Finally, security is trying to restore some order. It is about time. Heavy Metal is going off the deep end. Take them away and sedate them.
They're going in there right now. Chainsaw and Spike are not supposed to be wrestling. The paramedics have just come here. They both escaped. Chainsaw and Spike. Too much. The Heavy Metal Sisters have taken over. Oh, she just
Yes.